Hey guys, so today I thought I'd take you behind the scenes of what a celebrity stylist on MasterClass taught me about the perfect snatched ponytail. Apparently there's two parts to it, and spoiler alert, I had no idea how naughty my hair was until I tried this. Love that for me. So first you want to divide your hair right about here, just in front of your ears after I brush my naughty hair. Just above here where it's snatched, and thank God I got new combs because I truly would not know what I'm doing without them and how I'd pin my hair like this. So once you've divided the hair and you look crazy like me, you'll have two sections. One is the lifted section. This is the part that really frames your face and gives you that snatched effect. And there's the back section so that you have your base ponytail. I usually start with the lifted section just because this is the one that really shows, and if it's wrong, the whole ponytail just looks like crumbles. So no pressure. So yeah, then I add the second ponytail right behind it, and voila, double ponytail magic. So there's the second ponytail that I'm adding. I look insane, and that's the point. So then you're going to keep brushing until your hands fall off, because this is really tiring and it feels like you have worked out for about 25 million minutes, if that is something that is possible. But yeah, so then you tie them both together and give your hands a break, because that is like a workout for real. So anyway, that's my quick messy tutorial on how I kind of followed a celebrity's hair advice. Let me know if you try it or if you came here just for the chaos. Either way, thanks for watching.